So Jay, a big game to start the month against Colwyn Bay on Saturday. What's your thoughts on the match?
Yeah, it's going to be a tough game. Colwyn Bay, since Steve Evans has gone in, have been flying really. Had some really good results, some really positive results. They obviously had a great result against Connacht in the Welsh Cup a couple of weeks ago, which we went down to watch, and they look really organised. They're a strong, aggressive team, and I think that's really reflective of the manager. He's somebody who I respect in football, someone I've played with and coached against. So yeah, it's going to be a really tough game. We know that, especially going away. They get a really good following. It's a good club. They're well supported, but we're looking forward to it, and it's about what we do on the pitch, and hopefully we get the right result.
Early in the season, we did beat them 4-0 here. Maybe a slightly different team to what we did face them. Do you think the confidence going from that though should give us a good boost?
Yeah, I think the confidence in every game that we play, when we pick up results, we had a positive result on Saturday. Maybe the performance wasn't quite there, but but it's about winning games at this stage of the season. So yeah, we're confident in every game that we go into, and I think that's what every football team needs if they want to be successful. There's got to be confidence that's spread throughout the team. But yeah, they're going to be confident as well. They've had some good results, so yeah, I think it'll be a really good game.
One man in particular for Colwyn Bay was James Kirby, who's second in the goal scoring this round. He's a threat, isn't he? And he's come up leaps quite quickly recently, so someone to watch. Yeah,
again, seen him a few times this year, and he's somebody I really like. I've not really seen much of him before this season, but he's strong, he's aggressive, good hold-up play. So yeah, he's a really strong threat. But they've got threats all over the pitch. They signed and made some good signings in January, who I think have come in and really strengthened the team. But yeah, it's about. I think really it's about what we do and making sure we look after our performances, but also we've got to be respectful of them and make sure we nullify their threats where possible.
And also he said it's the end of the season now, and basically performance is not so much matters. It's the points on the board. We've got a tie race against Clandon on our hands. So what's your thoughts going ahead of the next big month that we've got ahead?
Yeah, it's as you said, it's just about winning games of football, but. It's something I say to the lads all the time. It's just making sure that our standards are right week in, week out. I firmly believe if our standards are right in training, it starts in training, going into every single game, every Saturday or Tuesday, whenever we play, that the performances are there. And then I firmly believe we'll then get the results off the back of that also. But yeah, it's about winning games. There's 8 games left, and we just take each game as it comes. It's probably in football you don't look too far ahead, and that's something that we certainly do. We look at Colwyn Bay on Saturday, we get through that game, and then we prepare for the next one.
And just finally, team news get ahead of Saturday. We had a few changes at the weekend. How's squad looking going into it?
Yeah, fully fit squad. We're all ready and raring to go. It's good that. Probably the best time of the season that lads are fighting and there's real competition for places. I think it was only 2 or 3 weeks ago that it was the first time Shoss had the opportunity to pick from a fully fit squad, and that's credit to the lads who have played week in, week out, and then credit to the lads who had to work hard to get back to full fitness. But to win a league or to do well in any league, you need to have a squad. It is a squad game no matter what level you play at. It's a squad game, and we've got players that are ready to step in when needed. And yeah, it's just about keeping going now.